Hi dear children, I am your Srinivasar from Sri Sai Sadbhavana School. Now we are moving to the exercise 14.4, that is in the money lesson. You know very well how to convert the rupees into paise, paise into rupees, then addition we have done. Now we are moving to the subtraction. Now we are moving to the subtraction. How we will make? Here they are given convert into paise and subtract. What they are given? Convert into paise and then subtract. First problem, rupees 38.72 minus rupees 16.32. Convert this into paise. You know very well how to convert this into paise. I will write here. This can be written as 3872 paise. You know very well, remove this rupees symbol and remove this decimal point and write down the number. Then it becomes paise. Next, this can be written as 1632 paise. So what we have to do? Subtract. Paise. 2 minus 2, 0. 7 minus 3, 4. 8 minus 6, 2. 3 minus 1, 2. How much? 2240 paise. If you write this in rupees, rupees 22.40. How? Remove this paise and add this rupees. Remove this paise and add this rupees. Then you will get rupees. That is 2240 paise is equal to rupees 22.40. Next, we will move to the second problem. B1, rupees 36.17 minus rupees 24.15. Here, this can be written as 3617 paise. Next, 2415 paise. Subtract. 7 minus 5, 2. 7 minus 5, 2. 1 minus 1, 0. 6 minus 4, 2. 3 minus 2, 1. Once again I will say 7 minus 5, 2. 1 minus 1, 0. 6 minus 4, 2. 3 minus 2, 1. That is 1202 paise. When you convert this into rupees, rupees 12.02. Rupees 12.02. Come to the third problem. Convert this into paise, that is 6893 paise. I will write P for paise or PAI. Next, this can be written as 1502 paise. Subtract. So, subtraction. 3 minus 2, 1 paise as it is. 9 minus 0, 9. 8 minus 5, 3. 6 minus 1, 5. 5391 paise. This can be written as rupees 53.91. Rupees 53.91. Subtraction once again. 3 minus 2, 1. 9 minus 0, 9. 8 minus 5, 3. 6 minus 1, 5. Next, come to D problem. This can be written as 6029 paise. So 2025 paise. That is rupees 20.25 can be written as 2025 paise. Subtract. 9 minus 5, 4. 2 minus 2, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 6 minus 2, 4. That is 4004 paise. This can be written as rupees 40.04. Rupees 40.04. Come to here. This can be written as rupees 95.56 can be written as 9556 paise. This can be written as 3241 paise. Subtract. 6 minus 1, 5. 5 minus 4, 1. 5 minus 2, 3. 9 minus 3, 6. that is 6,315 paise. When you write this in the rupees, rupees 63.15. Rupees 63.15. I hope you understand this one. Okay. Next we will move to the next main, convert into paise and subtract by regrouping. Convert into paise and subtract by regrouping. Coming to the second main, convert into paise and subtract by regrouping. Here conversion into paise, same, rupees 85.82 can be written as 8,582 paise. 8,582 paise. This is rupees 67 minus 6,793 paise. Here you have to take the carry and subtract. 12 minus 3. This becomes 2 minus 3. It is not possible. So we'll take the carry. So this becomes 7. This becomes 12. 12 minus 3, 9. 12 minus 3, 9 paise. This becomes 7. So 7 minus 9, it is not possible. Take one carry to here. This becomes 4. This becomes 17. 17 minus 9, 8. 17 minus 9, 8. Here this is 4. Then take one carry here. This becomes 14. This becomes 7. 14 minus 7, 7. 7 minus 6, 1. So what is the answer? 1,789 paise. Once again I will subtract. 12 minus 3, 9. This becomes 7. 17 minus 9, 8. This becomes 4. 14. When we take the carry, 14 minus 7, 7. This becomes, after taking the carry, this becomes 8 becomes 7. 7 minus 6, 1. So 1,789 paise. Or if you write in rupees, rupees 17.89. Rupees 17.89. I hope you understand this one. If you have doubt, just add these two, you will get this one. 9 plus 3, 12, carry 1. 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 8, 18, carry 1. 7 plus 7, 14 plus 1, 15, carry 1. 6 plus 1, 7 plus 1, carry 1 plus add 8. You get 8. So the problem is correct. Come to the second problem. This can be written as 6,731 paise. Now there is no confusion to convert rupees to paise. I hope 3,829 paise. Subtract 11 minus 9. This becomes 11. Take carry from here. 11 minus 9, 2. Because 1 minus 9 it is not possible. So take carry from here. This 3 becomes 2 and we will take one carry. This becomes 11. 11 minus 9, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. 7. It is not possible to subtract 8 from the 7. So you take one carry from here. This becomes 5. This becomes 17. 17 minus 8. 17 minus 8. 7. 17 minus 8. Sorry, 9. Sorry. 17 minus 9. Sorry, 17 minus 8, 9. 17 minus 8, 9. 5 minus 3, 2. Paise. When you convert this into rupees, this becomes rupees 29.02. If you have doubt, we will check. 9 plus 2, 11, carry 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 9 plus 8, 17, carry 1. 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6. So rupees 2,900 rupees 29.02. Paise 2,902 paise. Next come to here. Rupees 75.34 can be written as 7,534 paise. This can be written as 3,626 paise. Subtract. It is not possible to subtract from 4 to 6. So you take carry from here. This becomes 2. This becomes 14. 14 minus 6, 8. 14 minus 6, 8. 2 minus 2, 0. Take carry from here. So this becomes 6 and this becomes 15. 15 minus 6, 9. 6 minus 3, 3. That is 3,908 paise. This can be written as rupees 39.08. If you convert this into rupees 39.08, you will cross check. 8 plus 6 14 carry 1, 1 plus 2 3, 9 plus 6 15 carry 1, 3 plus 3 6 plus 1 7. So rupees 39.08. Next come to here, rupees 92.64 can be written as 9,264 paise, and this can be written as 8,005 paise. Subtract 14 because you have to take carry. 4 becomes 14. This becomes 5. 14 minus 5 9. 5 minus 0 5. 2 minus 0 2. 9 minus 8 1. So 1,259 paise. This can be written as rupees 12.59. Rupees 12.59. Next come to here. This can be written as 3,613 paise, and rupees 10.23 can be written as 1,023 paise. Subtract 3 minus 3 0 paise as it is. 3 minus 3 0. 11 because it is not possible to subtract 2 from 1. Take carry from here. This becomes 11. This becomes 5. 11 minus 2 9. 5 minus 0 5. 3 minus 1 2. 2,590 paise can be written as rupees 25.90. Rupees 25.90. I hope you understand this one also. Next we will move to the find the difference without converting and without regrouping, that is directly subtraction. Now we will move to the third main. Find the difference without conversion and without regrouping. That means directly we want to subtract. No conversion into paise, directly subtract the rupees. Now we will move to the first problem. What is the first problem? Rupees 40.4 from 41 from rupees 65.52. So first you write down rupees 65.52. Next write down rupees 40.41. Subtract. Then subtract. 2 minus 1, 1. 5 minus 4, 1. 5 minus 0, 5. 6 minus 4, 2. That is rupees 25.11. This is very easy. Write down which is given from or which is the bigger one. You write down in the top, and below that you write down the another number. Subtract. 2 minus 1, 1. 5 minus 4, 1. See, 5 minus 0, 5. 6 minus 4, 2. Next, come to here. Here, the bigger number is rupees 23.94. Or they are given from. So, you write down that one in the top. Rupees 23.94. Next, rupees 12.20. Subtract. 4 minus 0, 4. 9 minus 2, 7. As it is 3 minus 2, 1. 2 minus 1, 1. That is rupees 11.74. 4 minus 0, 4. 9 minus 2, 7. 3 minus 2, 1. 2 minus 1, 1. So rupees 11.74. Come to here. From rupees 89.95, you subtract rupees 28.05. That is, they have given 5 minus 5, 0. 9 minus 0, 9. Decimal point as it is. 9 minus 8, 1. 8 minus 2, 6. That is rupees 61.90. Rupees 61.90. Come to here. From 94.90, subtract rupees 53.90. So what you will get? 0 minus 0, 0. 9 minus 9, 0. 4 minus 3, 1. 9 minus 5, 4. That is rupees 41.00. I hope you understand this one also. Next we will move to the fourth main. Now the fourth main, regroup and subtract. They are given the numbers in words. So we will, I have written already in the numbers. So we will subtract them. First problem, rupees 78.25. Rupees 78.25 minus rupees 47.30. What they are given? Subtract rupees 47.30 from rupees 78 and 25 paise. So we'll subtract 5 minus 0, 5. Here 2 minus 3, it is not possible. So what I have to do? Take carry, this becomes 12 and this becomes 7. 12 minus 3, 9. Decimal point as it is. 7 minus 7, 0. 7 minus 4, 3. That is rupees 30.95. Once again I will subtract 5 minus 0, 5. 12 minus 3, 9. 7 minus 7, 0. 7 minus 4, 3. Next come to here. 12 minus 5. Because from 2 we can't subtract 5. So this becomes 12. This becomes 4. 12 minus 5, 7. This take carry from here. This becomes 6. 14 minus 8, 6. 6 minus 2, 4. 9 minus 6, 3. That is rupees 34.67. Once again I will explain. 2 minus 5, it is not possible to subtract 5 from 2. So take carry from here. This becomes 12. 12 minus 5, 7. This is 4. Take carry from here. 14 minus 8, 6. This becomes 7. 6. 6 minus 2, 4. 9 minus 6, 3. Once again I will cross check. 7 minus 5. 7 plus 5, 12. Carry 1. 8 plus 6, 14 plus 1, 15. Carry 1. 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7. 3 plus 6, 9. Next, come to here, subtraction. Here also, from 5, it is not possible to subtract 6. So take carry from here. This becomes 15. This becomes 5. 15 minus 6. 15 minus 6 is 9. 15 minus 6 is 9. Then take carry from here because 5 minus 8, it is not possible. So 15 minus 8, 7. Decimal as it is. This becomes 7. So take carry from here. This becomes 8 and this becomes 17. 17 minus 9, 8. 8 minus 6, 2. That is rupees 28.79. Cross check. 9 plus 6, 15. Carry 1. 7 plus 8, 15 plus 1, 16. Carry 1. 10. 10 plus 8, 18. Carry 1. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. So what we have done is right. Next come to here. Subtraction. 5 minus 0, 5. This becomes 14. So because from 4 it is not possible to subtract 5. So we will take carry from here. This becomes 6. 14 minus 5, 9. 6 minus 0, 6. 4 minus 2, 2. That is rupees 26.95. Cross check. 5 plus 0, 5. 9 plus 5, 14. Carry 1. 6 plus 1, 7. 2 plus 2, 4. Come to here. 17. Because by 7 it is not possible. So take carry from here. 17 minus 9, 8. 17 minus 9, 8. Next. Here it is 4. Take carry from here. This becomes 14. 14 minus 8, 6. Decimal point as it is. From 2, it is not possible to subtract 5. So take carry from here. This becomes 3. This becomes 12. 12 minus 5, 7. 12 minus 5, 7. Next, 3 minus 3, 0. So this is the answer, rupees 7.68. Rupees 7.68. I hope you understand this also. Next, we'll move to the word problems. Now move to the word problems. Neeraj had rupees 175 with him. He gave rupees 53.25 to his brother to buy a color box. How much money is left with Neeraj? Here I have written the solution. Amount with Neeraj, rupees 175. He has given to his brother rupees 53.25. Then the remaining amount. What you have to do? Subtraction. So subtract 10 minus 5. This becomes 10. This becomes 9. This becomes 4. How? We have taken the carry to here. Then this becomes 10. Once again we are taken to carry here. So this becomes 9 and this becomes 10. 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 2, 7. Decimal point as it is. 4 minus 3, 1. 7 minus 5, 2. 1 as it is. He left rupees 121.75. Amount with Neeraj is rupees 121.75. Once again I will explain. Neeraj had rupees 175 with him. He gave 50 rupees 53.25 to his brother. So what is the amount left with Neeraj? Subtract 10 minus 5, 5, 9 minus 2, 7, 14 minus, 4 minus 3, 1, 7 minus 5, 2, 1 as it is. So rupees 121.75 is left with Neeraj. Come to the third problem. The price of a school bag is rupees 250.95. Priya has only rupees 210.25. Then how much more money does she require to buy the bag? So once again you have to subtract to get the remaining required money. 5 minus 5, 0. 9 minus 2, 7. Decimal point as it is. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 1, 4. 2 minus 2, 0. That is rupees 40.70. She required more. How much she required extra? Rupees 40.70 to purchase this bag. Next, come to the next one. The price of a tomato ketchup has been reduced from rupees 82.50 to rupees 61.50. In some shops, they will reduce the cost of some items to advertise more or to sell more. Like that, they reduced the tomato ketchup cost from rupees 82.50 to rupees 61.50. Then how much money we have saved? Or find the reduction in price. So subtract 0 minus 0, 0 as it is. 5 minus 5, 0. 2 minus 1, 1. 8 minus 6, 2. So how much reduction they have done? Rupees 21. They done rupees 21 as the reduction. Come to the last problem. Aman had rupees 757 in bank account. Later he withdraw rupees 396 from it. How much is the balance in his account? That means Aman had rupees 757 in his bank account. He withdraw for some purpose rupees 396. Withdraw means taking the amount from the bank for his some purpose. So what is the remaining amount in the bank? What is the remaining amount in the bank? Subtract 0, 0 as it is. No need of writing the zeros, but for writing the rupees we have to write the zeros. 7 minus 6, 1. Here this becomes 15 because it is not possible to subtract 9 from the 5. 15 minus 9, 6. 6 minus 3, 3. Rupees 361 is left in his account. In the account of Aman. Okay, I hope you understand the money problem. This completes the lesson. So if you have any doubt, I will clarify you in the next class. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.